Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record MP4 files by default in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have your OBS application open on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration window where you can adjust all of OBS's recording and streaming preferences. Now, once the settings window opens, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side displaying various categories. Look for the option labeled Output and click on it. This section controls everything related to how OBS handles your recordings and streams, including the file formats it uses to save your content. After clicking on Output, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the recording section. This is where you can customize specifically how OBS records your videos, separate from your streaming settings. It's important to locate this section because this is where you'll change the default recording format. Within the recording section, look for an option called Recording Format. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available format options that OBS supports. From this list, select Hybrid Mp4. This format ensures your recordings are saved as MP4 files by default, which is widely compatible with most video players and editing software, making it a practical choice for most users. After you've selected Hybrid Mp4 from the drop-down menu, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there, Apply and OK. First, click on Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. This finalizes your new recording format preference. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to record MP4 files by default. Your future recordings will now automatically save in this format without needing any additional steps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.